niggas dream about first place. Never shit the beat and turn into a cold case. Baby went to camp, but she gave me birthday. Outside, but you know I'm always working. She in need of a real nigga. I strategize ways how to get my cake bigger. I blew with mine, but love it costs, and I ain't got the time. Tears in her eyes when I pulled off. I left the middle my friends, synonymous with hard work when they mention my name. You in charge of how you feel and how you handle the pain.
What's going on, everybody? And today it's your boy Wolf from Lobo Tech, and we are working on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. We're doing the front and the rear brakes and rotors on this puppy. Today we are going to get it going. That's crazy to me because these brakes are barely even worn down. Take this back here, pop that out, pops out the bottom, voila, comes out. Make sure your bungee's tied up. Gonna clean all in here. These brake pads don't look worn that bad, but we shall see. Taking this T30 out. Very rusty. I'm gonna clean this puppy up. Alright, so we're driving customers 2015 Volkswagen Passat, Wolfsburg edition. You can hear the brakes grinding. Just did the fronts, now we're gonna get to the backs. But you can just hear it. Yeah, so the ones in the back were donezo for sure. Ones in the front were good, but ones in the back are... Yeah, these were completely done in the back. This is why they were making so much noise. These are completely down to the pad. Holy crap. These bolts that hold on caliper bracket. These bottom bolts, oh my freaking god. Fighting with me, bro. They were fighting with me. Taking this T30 out. This thing is done. You can see that ring of it scraping up on the back. It's just cooked. Now this is the most bullshit difficult part. I gotta fit these keyholes on the outside. See the little notches up on the outside? That one and that one. I gotta fit those into there and push it and turn it. Always want to put your lug nuts in hand tight first. We're done finally.